Don't buy USDT on Binance P2P from anyone who wants to withdraw money direct from your M10 mobile money account or Airtel money account, because you will get scammed and there is no way Binance is going to help you to get your money back. Now, I'm going to share with you how they can scam you and how you can look for genuine traders whom allows you to send money to them and then they release crypto to you, but not withdrawing money directly from your accounts. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends so that we learn together. Let's get started. Now, these days when you are buying USDT on Binance, especially in Uganda, these vendors tell you that they want to withdraw money direct. If you are using M10 mobile money, you send them your phone number and then they initiate a withdraw. You enter your PIN code, your mobile money PIN code, and then they make a withdraw from your account. Now, Airtel Money, you initiate, send them the number and the secret code, and then they make a withdrawal. Now, this is how you can get scammed if you allow buying USDT that way. Now, if they make a withdrawal from your account and then they have to release crypto to you, some of them are scammers and they may not release crypto after withdrawing money from your account. How? These people, they use M10 mobile money and Airtel money agent lines. Now, if someone is a scammer, they may not release your crypto. And if you submit a payment proof on Binance that you have paid, they will tell Binance that that payment proof is fake because Binance doesn't allow it. Binance tells you to send money to the vendor, but not them withdrawing money directly from your Airtel money account or M10 mobile money account. Now, even some of them, they use numbers that are not registered with the same, their agent lines are not registered with the same names registered with their Binance accounts. So they can scam you that way, because if you submit a payment proof, they are going to tell Binance that it is fake and you end up losing your money, and Binance will not refund that money because they keep on warning you about those people. So how to not see those people? Once you go to Binance P2P and you want to buy USDT, make sure that you read their terms and conditions before pressing any order. Make sure that you read their terms and conditions. If they say that they make withdrawals, make sure that you scroll. Most of them are on top. Make sure that you scroll. You will find some vendors who are genuine and they allow you to send money to them and then they release crypto to you, but not them making a withdrawal. Now, another way these people can are cheating you people, it's because when you are sending money on Airtel or M10, when you are sending to them, M10 and Airtel charges you only 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Imagine if you are sending 1 million Ugandan shillings, M10 and Airtel charges you only 1,000 Ugandan shillings. And if you are withdrawing 1 million Ugandan shillings, they will charge you more money. Now you can see how you are losing money without knowing. So make sure that you scroll. There is this girl called Mariana Kebs. She sells USDT and she's genuine. You can deal with her. And there are many other traders. If you want, you can choose any of your choice, and make sure that you don't use third-party payments. Anytime you are buying USDT on Binance, make sure that you pay with a payment method that is registered in the same names you registered on Binance. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.